In this video, we're going to look at building chemical formula. So what you have in front of you here is an ion sheet. Now an ion is a charged atom, okay? And here are a list of ions. We have on the left-hand side are positively charged ions, and on the right-hand side are negatively charged ions. And what you'll notice is sometimes there's more than one atom joined together. So here we have a molecule, okay, NO3 nitrate, but it is negatively charged by 1, and so it's on this sheet also. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this ion sheet to actually build some chemical formula today. So what I want to do is work out what the ion formula is for potassium and then chloride, and then I'm going to look at those and put them together. So potassium, if we look on the left hand side column and find potassium, it has the formula K+. Okay, and what that means is it's a bit like algebra, where if you've got 1x, you don't write 1x, you just write x, okay? And it's the same with a charge. If it's a charge that's positively charged by 1, we don't write 1 plus, we just write plus. So on our right hand side we have chloride, and that's right at the top there, chloride, which is Cl minus. Again, that means that that's negatively charged by 1. Okay, now if this is a positively charged by 1 and if chloride is negatively charged by 1, what that means is those charges, when they bond together, will cancel out, and the overall charge of them when they've bonded is going to be neutral. So what happens is you just slot them together, so it's KCl. Now notice with the K, it's a capital, it shows you on the formula, capital K, and then chloride is capital C, lowercase l. And that's how you need to write it all of the time when you're writing the formula. You can't write, this is wrong, so KCl, I've seen it written like that before, or KCl. You have to write, where there's a capital you need to put a capital, and where there's a lowercase you need to put a lowercase. Okay, so let's try a different one. So the next one we're going to try is magnesium oxide. So if you look on the left hand side column, you'll find magnesium, which is Mg2+, and oxygen, which is on the right hand side, or oxide, sorry, is O2-. Now what we're interested in is whether these charges will cancel each other out. Think about it, are the numbers in front of the charges the same? If they are the same, they will cancel out. So this is a 2 in front of the plus here, and this is a 2 in front of the minus here, and so you will just slot them together, because 2 plus and 2 minus will cancel each other out. So it's just MgO. Let's try another one. So this one is zinc carbonate. So we need to find zinc, which is Zn2+. So that means it's positively charged by 2. And then we need to find carbonate, which is CO3, 2-. Okay, now this throws people because there's 2 numbers here. Don't worry about the fact there's 2 numbers. This number at the bottom here, this number 3, is just telling you that there are 3 oxygens here. And it's just the charge that we're interested in. So go back to what I said before, is do the numbers in front of the charge, are they the same? So are the numbers in front of the charges the same? If they are, that means that that 2+ will cancel out that 2-, okay? So you would just slot them together. So it would be ZnCO3. Okay, guys?